Welcome to Junkyard Haunts, to return trash into haunts. Today we're going to be making another potion. For my potions now, I feel like I'm just making it more and more elaborate, but I think that's the goal of these, is after you make a bunch, you start getting better at them. But this is also a good example of just keep adding on until it reaches a point that you really like. For this time, we're going to try something new and actually try to put liquid in our potions. I know it's silly that we haven't done that yet, but it's never too late to start. When we put liquid in our potions, we're actually going to go ahead and food color it, and we're going to make sure our bottles are completely sealed. I feel like those are probably both important things, but I actually wanted to make this potion kind of like it's mixing itself. So you're taking a little bit of product from here, doing some chemical experiment, and then combining it into this product over here. That's kind of the theme of this, building one thing from a whole bunch of things, like Frankenstein. Weird how I've called it Frankenstein potion, huh? So I'm actually working with another YouTube channel, using his music as the background music of this. Instead of explaining all the things that I'm doing in this particular potion, just play a lot of his songs so you guys can hear it. And his link is in the description, so you can go check him out and check out his channel and subscribe to him. For the most part, my potions have kind of all followed the same process, so I'll put some links up of potions I've made in the past. Go check those out. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be making a prop every single Monday, so check them out and subscribe. In the end, just in case you can't tell what I'm doing, I just have some felt here that I've painted gray, and some more cardboard that I've just cut into little squares, trying to make them look like bolts. So this is metal bolting everything together, just to kind of to add that more Frankenstein theme into it. Yes, made the Frankenstein potion. Should we go through our Frankenstein things? We have the Frankenstein book, we have the Frankenstein pumpkin, and now we have the Frankenstein potion. What Frankenstein thing should I make next? Don't suggest Frankenstein, that's ridiculous. So leave a comment below, tell me what Frankenstein thing I should make next. Also, we made another potion to add to our potion collections. So pretty soon we're gonna have to be making our super secret project to combine all of our potions. Also, it's not a secret, so, share, subscribe. Ooh, go on our Facebook page and leave some comments guessing what our super secret project will be. Hey, it's a potion that I actually put liquid in. Oh man, who would have thought? Actual liquid. Nice. Oh, thing balances amazingly.